Okay, this one I'm gonna explore this little alley. Please like and subscribe and make some comments. If you do that, it'll go into the algorithm a little bit. And I'm gonna be talking about Macau, and I'm gonna be talking about alleys, little alleys about Macau. So I'll try to keep it. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna check out some cool stuff, including these alleys. Holy House of Mercy. So, alright, so this is Senado Square. We're gonna be going up and down this alley. My camera died, so I'm gonna restart this again. And we're gonna explore and see what's in here. So let's go check it out. Macau has a Portuguese history, so so a lot of these things have kind of cool little okay, this is a little bit of information. 1569. Okay, so renovations in the 19th century, and they're preserving it. Okay, so you can read a little bit about that if you want in Chinese, Portuguese, or in English. And I guess this is the white building. So 1569 they said, is that right? And then, okay, there's Museum of the Holy House of Mercy. So what we're gonna do is just kind of see what's on the alley, basically. Looks like we have, this is the museum right here. I don't have a plan to go into the museum, but there is some statue of 1569. Looks like it was probably outside for quite a long time. Kind of beautiful Portuguese inspired stuff. This one says Advogado, which is a law office, and this is also another law office. So two different law professions. And let's see what else is here. Casa de, not sure what that one is, but we're gonna keep on walking. It looks like they have I can see a little library of books here. Actually, this whole alley has a lot of balconies and also some more lawyer stuff. Paulinho Santos, Advogado. Advogado is the Portuguese word for lawyer. And this sign says, oh, look at some of these windows. Kind of a cool. Yeah, actually this has a lot of historical feeling to it. I could see a long time ago. This looks like it's the entrance to an apartment. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay. Old style, there's a bike in there. Huh. So this goes all the way back, and then there's something up there. Huh. And then here there's a guy, First Bishop of Macau, founder of the Holy House of Mercy of Macau. Okay. And then up here there's clothing, and then it's kind of interesting. There's, I don't know what building this might be, but it goes right up to this one. And we're in a pretty busy place because it's Senado Square. So I wouldn't have thought that that would be something like that. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that ends like this, so this little alley would be the end of it, but this one must be somebody's backyard or something. So anyways, we're gonna come back out and kind of see, and maybe what we'll do is we'll try to do one more alley since we're here, and then we can see what's in another one. So I'll probably just go around the corner. So we'll talk a little bit about the Portuguese influence. This particular area is Senado Square, and it's not too far from where the ships used to come in a long time ago, which is basically straight down that way. Straight. Huh. Little vine with some bamboo that goes all the way up. So I guess both of these add up to all this greenery right here. So there's some roots all lined up that goes to the ground to keep them well nourished. Okay, so to the right is called Popular Pharmacy, Popular Farmacia. It's been there for a long time. Maybe we'll just see if there's some kind of history to that one too. So today we're just going to explore a little bit around here, and let me just see if this has guaranteed mask supply, so you can actually get mask here. Okay, Sasa is another place. I think they also have masks too. As you know, this right now is a COVID-19 time period, so it's a lot of people concerned about that. But yeah, Macau is making it sure that people have access to that whenever they want it or need it. There's actually 10 every 10 days for residents, and I have a resident card myself. So so there are trying to take care of people, but you can see most people wear a mask. So let's go check out another alley. This one goes up to Traveso de Sao Domingo. Huh, never really noticed these apartments before. And this is a little building between the two buildings. So it's kind of interesting to see inside. So yeah, I guess it's about the size of them too. Okay, then if you go all the way up, there's no windows, so I don't know, maybe that one used to go up quite a bit higher or something. I don't know. Or it was just originally planned that way, not to have windows on the sides. Huh. So, okay, this is interesting. So this one is an apartment here. So yeah, I don't know. Actually, there's another apartment up here too. It's actually quite amazing. We'll see if we can get into an alleyway later. Okay. So yeah, actually these are pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see these, but you can see all these balconies right here, right? They go all the way up, and then actually there's like, they kind of go like that, all the way up to the top. So we're gonna go up a little bit further. And actually what I wouldn't mind doing is seeing if I can find the back of this building. Taste of Portugal, level 5, okay. So we're basically just gonna go around this alley and we'll just see if we can get to the right a little bit. And I've never went to the right because there's a lot of cool stuff. Korean cheese hot dogs, huh. Just kind of see, Korea stuff is very popular, so is Japan. And Portuguese, of course. There's another Portuguese restaurant right here, Boa Mesa. I want to see if I can get around, but this is kind of the back, that other alley that we started at. I'm going to try to go around in a minute. But this alley has some Portuguese influence stuff, like that. Okay. So what we're going to do is so all those wall murals are Portuguese as well. There's another mural down that way too. There's more of them. They go all the way around. And then up on the other side there's a Senado Square. Sorry. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to go around the block, see how far. This is another Portuguese restaurant. This is one of the first Portuguese restaurants I ever ate at. The owner is really cool, as all the Portuguese owners are. So they know the service industry well. They appreciate the customers and really make a good food, and usually interact like a community member kind of vibe. It's great. Okay, this is so I have filmed in here before, and I filmed another time. I filmed around in this area, and that's kind of saying how cool those are. But my goal right now is to see if I can get into an alley and see if I can find let's see what's around here. Oh, this is full on. Hey, there's Steven. I'm gonna film him in a second. We're just gonna film all the way around here, and then we're gonna go all the way down. I'm gonna turn off this camera and see if I can find it. So we're gonna walk down this street, and then this is I'm gonna try to get to I was gonna try to get into this little courtyard so I could see on the other side of this, but I don't think I can get in. But if I did, it would be probably right here, which I think is an apartment. Let me just see. Yeah, I think this one leads to that, I think. Anyways, I can't get around the block, so whatever that was in a courtyard of somebody else's place. So we're gonna end this right here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.